All right, welcome back. Today we're going to remove this bumper and clean up all the rust on it, and then prep it to get fiberglass against you can't see our custom bumper there. Okay. All right, so there's 4 bolts that hold this each side of this bumper onto the bumper brackets, and I've already taken off most of these. So I've got 4 here on the inside, and then there's 4 here. And they should be 10 millimeters. Or might be 12, actually. They are 12 millimeters. Alright, after you get the bolts removed, or the nuts, I should say, you need to disconnect the lights, the turn signal wiring. You should probably do that first before you start taking off the nuts for the bumper. As you can see, it just might fall on you. Alright, so each turn signal should have like a 3-prong connector that runs alongside the bumper supports. And on mine, I have a plastic clip that's right back here. And then it just runs through. Now I spliced the factory wiring on mine because I put the LEDs in there. Alright, so we'll get that off, and you can see that this guy is pretty rusty. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, so then when we put our fiberglass bumper, the fiberglass will actually adhere to this and to the bumper itself. Alright, so we got the bumper off. The next thing you got to do is remove the turn signal housings. So there is 10 mil bolt there and there when you've got that on both sides. So let's find our ratchet. And take these off. Man, I'm not doing very good for these sizes. Those are 8 millimeter. And what I like to do when I take the nuts off is put them back on whatever I took them off so I don't lose them. And here's those clips I was telling you about. There's one right there and one right here. The wiring for the turn signal goes in the clips, and then the wiring goes back to the car. Alright, so let's use the wire brush on this guy. I actually went to get safety glasses and I forgot them. Alright, we got our safety glasses. Oh. I'm going to turn the audio off for you guys. You don't have to listen to this. Alright, let's try this again after that power outage. I'm gonna spray some PB Blaster on these screws, let them set for a minute, or probably a couple hours. Get those off. So I'm sure they've been there since 1979. Alright, so I'm going to take this moment right here to pause it, and I'm going to continue working on getting all the rust and stuff off of here, and we'll spray some rust converter on it. Alright, see you tomorrow.